In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code. We'll walk through a simple, clear process that you can follow even if you've never worked with QR codes before. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate a QR code that people can scan with their phones to visit a website, view information, or access a resource you want to share. First, open your web browser and go to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type "How to create QR code" and press enter. You'll see a list of online tools and generators that can create QR codes for you. Most of these tools are free and don't require any technical skills, which makes them great for quick projects, marketing materials, or personal use. Next, choose one of the QR code generator websites from the search results. Look for a tool that has a clean layout and clearly labeled options such as URL, text, Wi-Fi, or contact. For this walkthrough, we'll focus on creating a QR code that links to a website, since that's one of the most common uses. Once you're on the generator page, find the field where you can paste or type your website link. Carefully enter the full URL you want people to visit when they scan your code. Take a moment to double-check for typos, missing characters, or extra spaces, because whatever you enter here is exactly where the QR code will send people. After you've entered your link, look for a button that says something like Generate, Create QR Code, or Create. Click that, and the website will instantly create a QR code image based on the link you provided. You should now see your QR code displayed on the screen. Some tools will also offer customization options, like changing the color or adding a logo. These are optional, but if you do customize, make sure the contrast stays strong so the code remains easy to scan. Before you download anything, test the QR code. Use your smartphone's camera or a QR scanning app. Point it at your screen and confirm that it opens the correct website. Testing now helps you avoid printing or sharing a code that doesn't work. Finally, download the QR code image in a format like PNG or JPG and save it to your computer or device. You can now insert this image into documents, posters, flyers, presentations, or social media posts. That's the entire process of creating a QR code, from search to final download, ready to share with your audience.